Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to Spot Area channel. Today I will give you tutorial how to limit the comment on your post of Instagram. And before that, so you don't miss any of our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First, we click the Instagram application. After that, you can click the symbol in the bottom. Click the three of stripe here and click settings. After that, you can click the privacy, and next you click the comments. You can control who you allow comment from. Is this everyone or just people you follow or just your followers? I choose people you follow. So if I choose that, the followers that you can follow, the followers you not follow, it doesn't have to comment your post. After that, click back, and you also can block comment from. For people maybe is blocked, and the people is blocked comment from. Okay, this is a tutorial how to limit the comment on your post of Instagram. I hope this video is useful for you and thank you.